For the Junior Cert Maths exam tomorrow, these are the key things you gotta know. The first thing I tell my students is, don't scan the paper. Instead, start doing a question immediately. So when you're given that exam, find the first easy question you see and start doing the maths immediately, because that gets you into maths mode. And when you look over the whole paper, it can overwhelm you. So don't scan, start doing the maths immediately. The next thing I tell my students is, do not get bogged down. Tomorrow, if there's a question that you don't have an iota, what's going on? Remember two things. The method gets you marks. So even if you show step 1 and step 2 and just half know about it, that gets you marks. And number 2, don't get bogged down. You move on. Come back to it later and circle with a red pen. And that's super advice. The next thing I tell my students is, you get the exam paper, you're ready to go. Take a deep breath before you start that exam, right? When you open the paper, off you go. This is just another exam. And let me tell you this, once you start the first question, it flows. And all you're doing is pulling all that information from the back of your brain to the front of your brain. And it really, really helps. The last hack I have for you is, the morning of your exam, just before you go in, if you're in the car or on the bus, look over all the formulas that are not in your actual log tables. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, there's a number of formulas that are not in your log tables. We've done a whole list in this, like a nice short compact PDF. And that's the last thing you should look at before you go into your actual exam. And if you need that list, comment the word formulas below and I'll send them on to you.